Hey everybody, welcome back to another plan with me. It's Jody here with Plan All the Things, and today I'm going to be planning in my classic happy planner for December 21st through the 27th. I'm going to be using more traditional red and green holiday colors, but really focusing on Snoopy and Peanuts, using them as my central theme for this layout. Super excited. So to get started, I'm going to lay down my washi tape. This is a red with a white polka dot. I really enjoy this thin washi tape sometimes. I can add just a little touch of color and help pull your whole layout theme together. But, you know, me being me, I felt like the red wasn't quite enough. So I decided to add a strip of skinny green washi tape as well. Sometimes with this thin washi tape or skinny washi tape, I like layering it. Just adds a layer of dimension and some more color. And I have so much washi tape that I'll probably never all get through before it goes bad. I'm like, why not? So now that I have my washi tape laid down, I'm going to go ahead and start putting in some decorative elements. I'm actually not going to do any task planning on the right side of my planner. Starting there on the 24th, I don't have any intention to do anything productive or chores. So, you know, why even try planning for it? I'm just going to functional or task plan on the left side of my planner. And then, you know, the rest of the week is just going to be enjoying the holiday and having time with friends and family and resting. So I have this little Christmas tree here that you can decorate. So I put that together. And now I'm adding some of the Peanuts characters to anchor the tree. I'm going to put Snoopy's doghouse up there with Woodstock and a tree of his own. Over here we've got Snoopy sledding with Woodstock. And I think that's Lucy and Linus up there sledding as well. Snoopy down there with Woodstock. You know, I have a lot of Peanuts holiday themed decorations I actually put up in my house. So it's so fun to now be putting them in my planner as well. And you have to have all the letters going in the same direction. So I'm just adding some decorative elements. I get these stickers from Current. It's a stationery company. I can link below in case you're interested. But now I am adding some tasks areas to the left side. A box for Monday, checklist for Tuesday. I'm going to put a Christmas Eve sticker down for, well, you know, Christmas Eve. When do you guys open gifts? Do you open gifts Christmas Eve or Christmas Day? We were always a Christmas Eve family, and then you'd open Santa's gifts on Christmas Day. But then when I married into Drew's family, or, you know, got together with my husband, he was like, oh, no. We don't open all the presents on Christmas Eve. We have to wait till Christmas Day. So I had to get used to a new tradition. We typically do open one gift on Christmas Eve, but then we do wait for the others the next day. I'm just adding some decorative quote stickers. Super fun. I love this one of Woodstock. Woodstock wearing the antlers. So cute. Adding another little Snoopy. Adding some dot stickers to this task box. I don't love dot stickers, but mostly just want to use them up. It's a little header that says this week with a checklist. And then I found these Santa hats. I'm pretty sure they were in one of the, you know, Happy Planner holiday sticker books. And so that we'll put one on the 24th and one over there on the note section. And I've got some of these holly berries. Making a little crisscross candy cane. And then I trimmed off the top of the Santa hat there. And yeah, that's the layout. Really liked how this came out. Super excited for Christmas this week. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you found this layout to be fun and inspiring too, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified of more content I post, please hit that subscribe button. And until the next video, guys, have a great holiday and I will see you then. Bye for now.